everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to explain about the trades that I took. So if you see, the market gapped up today, but it also formed a wedge top. If you connect this swing to this swing and if you extend the line, you can see that this is the third push up. So this is from yesterday, okay? But I was not really sure of the move since the market was still in an uptrend. So I didn't take any trade here. So whenever the market is still in an uptrend and I'm expecting a reversal, I usually take trade on low 3 instead of taking the trade immediately on low 1 or low 2, just to be sure that market is reversing. Okay, so my entry point was here. This was my entry point, and my exit was 1:2. That was my target, so it was somewhere around this point. This was my exit point. Here in this area, you can see the market is still flat. I got a little nervous, but since you can see the downward spike was so strong, I was still certain to some extent that the market is going to come down instead of going up in the same direction as it was earlier. So I stayed in my trade, and that is why following your rule is really important, because I had set my stop loss here. This was my stop loss and market never touched it. So I stayed in the trade, and then my target got hit, and it was a successful trade for me. And then the second trade of the day was here. If you see, this is my low of the day, and when market tried to test the low of the day, it bounced back. Then this was the next candle, which again bounced back. But since the downward momentum from here to till this point was so strong, I didn't take the trade on high 1, but I took the trade on high 2, which was around this point. This was my entry 2. Now again, I was planning to follow 1:2 risk reward ratio, or this could have been my exit point if you follow this swing. But if you see, the entry candle was a strong bull candle with a wick at the top. So I understood that bulls are not creating any sort of urgency right now. So instead of taking big risk, I exit all my positions here, which was my 1:1 target, and it also formed a wedge top here. So I didn't take any risk. I took out all my positions here. So it is more important to come out with a profit than risking your entire position just on a thought that you think is gonna happen. Because if you are certain that a certain move is going to happen, there are n number of people on the other side of the trade who thinks the opposite. So that is why I decided not to take any risk, but take out all my positions here. And I just took 2 trades today, and both of the trades were successful for me. So yeah, this is it from my end. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.